Where does the hiccup come from? Everyone has had it at least once in its lifetime for sure. What is interesting, you could even have it when being just a fetus. No matter when it happens, everyone certainly knows how nagging and even painful it is. Hiccup, however, have you ever wondered where does it all start? In our diaphragm. Imagine that you are having a party. There are many drool-worthy dishes. Temptation to taste them all is too great to be overcome. The taste is so delicious that you're not just eating it, you are gobbling it, and then you hear it, the painful belch, hiccuping. It happens each time you eat or drink something too hungrily and quickly. Wolfing down causes the diaphragm irritation. Normally, when we breathe in, our diaphragm shrinks and gets down. Thanks to that, our chest increases its volume so that our lungs can be filled with air. And during breathing out, the diaphragm loosens up. Its motion is controlled by the phrenic nerves, which are coming from the spinal cord close to our neck. If nerve endings are irritated, they send signals to the muscle, which cause some spasmodic crumps. The diaphragm does not jig, so we do not breathe steadily. When we breathe in rapidly, our glottis and vocal cords close up and cut the oxygen supply off. This is how hiccup comes up. Apart from overstuffing, hiccups can be a symptom of some more or less serious diseases. It is also scientifically proven that it is an affliction of stressed and nervous people more often. So what can we do to throw it off? There are many more or less effective ways. One of the most popular is to scare somebody, but it does not always work. It is also said to stop breathing for a while or to drink some sips of water. There is one more thing you should do, or actually do not do when having a hiccup. Don't lay on your right flank. When you are full, your stomach pushes on the diaphragm and other organs like the heart or lungs, which makes you breathe harder. How long does hiccup last? It depends, but if it appears regularly, that it does not wear off after 3 hours for children or 7 hours for adults, it is better to consult it with a specialist. Bless you.